I used over 30 pounds of Irish potato to make creamy garlic mashed potato for my cookout, and it was sold out in less than an hour. So my cookout was on the 31st of May, which was a Friday, and I had to start the preparation from about Thursday. So I cut off orders the Sunday leading up to the event. Around about Wednesday, I got an order for beetroot with ginger and also beetroot with milk. I usually take these orders, but I wasn't expecting these in the same week of the event. Anyways, I was up and about and I finished these orders around about close to 1 o'clock in the morning thereabout, and this was everything. It was a whole lot of work, guys, but I mean, you have to put in the work, right? So I made some beetroot with ginger. This is the beetroot with ginger, and I also made the beetroot with milk.